And there's the fam. The three. Dottie, Marilyn, and baby Franklin. And Poppy, of course. And Dottie wants to look outside, but we don't want her to fall down. And Marilyn is giving a little haircut. And little Franklin is just resting his poor little head. Our poor baby. I wish someone would give me some feedback. But there's the fam. They want to go. They're telling me they want to go outside and forage because they're 14 days old now. Hi, Dottie. Her name's Dottie because she's got polka dots. And then there's Marilyn. I think she's going to be a hairdresser. And then that's our poor little Franklin that can't do much of anything. Say, please, give Mommy and Daddy some advice on how to help my neck. Bye.